Hi, I'm Atiri, and I with my teammates are going to present you the following information about taxes. Obviously, starting with what taxes are. Well, as adults, we all know that we have to pay some taxes. But where do they come from? And where do they go? Is everything that we consume taxed? Not really. Some products or services are exempt from transfer tax. But we have to know the importance of the income tax, that it's paid depending of the income that we obtain in certain periods. Even the sanctions that may exist if we don't comply with the payment of this, either with fines in case they are not serious matters. Likewise, the different taxes that exist around the world and within our country, like the difference in VAT rates that exist in the different geographical area of Mexico. Always hoping to all this information be helpful to learn more about this topic.
Hello, my name is Gerardo Bernal, and today I will talk to you about what are taxes. As a general definition, we can say taxes are mandatory contributions levied on individuals or corporations by a government entity. By this, we can say that taxes are money that local, regional, and federal governments impose to their citizens or companies located inside of their borders. There are plenty type of taxes. Most of them are used to finance the activities the government does, such as public transport, government aids, and to create infrastructure to have a better country. In Mexico, we have three. The municipal taxes are the local ones, the state taxes are the regional ones, and the federal taxes are the one imposed by the government of the republic.
I am Cesar Ivan, and I'm going to talk about taxes on foreign trade. There are other types of taxes that exist in Mexico and are applied to the foreign trade. Since to facilitate it with other countries, the Mexican government contemplates within its legislation a series of contributions and tariffs on the entry and exit of merchandise from its territory, which are constantly updated to respond to the dynamics of the global exchange of products. On the import taxes, there are some like the general import tax, which has a variable rate, the value added tax, which is mandatory for all natural and legal persons who import goods and services into national territory, the new car tax, and the special tax on productions and services. And for export taxes, the Mexico exempts most goods from export taxes. However, there are cases of products derived from animals or plants where taxes are applied, mainly in the case of endangered species protected by the CITES Convention.
Hello, my name is Ángel Vladimir Villanueva Flores, and we talk about taxes in Mexico. In Mexico, there are three types of taxes according to each tax regime in which the taxpayer is. They are classified in federal taxes. These are all those taxes applicable throughout the Mexican territory, mandatory for the citizens or foreigners who carry out economic activities in the country. State taxes. They are proper to each state, so they have their own finance law that applies to the citizens of that entity. Municipal taxes. These are the taxes that are collected by local governments and that do not produce compensation for the taxpayer, in addition to changing according to the municipalities. Thanks and bye.
Consequences of not paying taxes. The state requests the payment of taxes to legal entities in the following way. Invitation letter. Send a text message or email to taxpayer to invite him to catch up. Signs if he does not do so. He may be subject economic penalties such as surcharges, default interest, updates, increase that the debt suffers due to inflation, and fines, penalty for each fiscal obligation not presented. Fine. If the invitation letters are not hooded, the SAT proceeds to directly apply a fine, for which the accumulated payments will be current tax, surcharges, updates, and fine, blocking of accounts or embargoes. If the business continues to have commercial activity, that is, money enters in the account, the SAT intervenes and freezes them to prevent collections and payments from being made.